You see when it tells you to save the file, don't save it as any old name like board. How do I get more views on YouTube? How do I get more views on YouTube? Guys, I know how to get more views on your YouTube videos. Oh my god, and I'm so excited to share this with you lot, because when I found it out I was like, let me test it a little, see if it's actually true. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm so excited to be sharing this with you, because you know, if I'm winning, I want you lot to win as well, because what? So anyways, so you just finished editing your video, right? And you're saving it, but you don't know what to save your video as. Let me drop some tea real quickly. You see when it tells you to save the file, I swear I'm dropping some tea. Make sure you all like this video. Don't save it as any old name like board or something like that. Name it what exactly your video is about. And don't be trying to clickbait, because then when people click it, they're gonna be like, oh no, right? Name it what the exact video is about, because you see, from there on, that video will get pushed out to Google. It will get pushed out to all the search engines. All the keywords will start to flitter, and trust me, that's what you want. You want the keywords to go crazy. And when people go on to like Google or Chrome and they type in a keyword of yours, your video would pop up, could pop up, if you put it in the right terms. You know what I mean? That's one way of getting more views. The other way is just... Okay, before I drop the other way, make sure you all like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Just making your thumbnails very catchy, very... I want to watch this video. What's this about? And make sure your titles, your YouTube titles, need to be optimized. Guys, make sure your titles are very intriguing, very I want to watch. Like, just think about, if you're scrolling on YouTube and you see something, are you going to want to tap that? Is it that wow for you to watch? Because I know me, if I'm scrolling on YouTube, I'm like, ugh, don't want to watch that. The title looks rubbish, the thumbnail looks rubbish, pass. But if I see a good title, a good thumbnail, and the video's long enough for me to sit down and enjoy, I will be like, right, let me go and get something to eat, let me get something to drink, and let's get on the road. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like watching boring people. I don't like watching rubbish content. Like, I hate that so much. If your quality is bad, fix that, because viewers are not gonna want to stay for a minute. If your quality is rubbish, your sounding's bad, you look unpresentable, you just don't have no aura to you. Like, what's the point? Like, what am I gaining from you? Like, you're just sitting around bored all the time. Like, no, lad, no. You know what I mean? Like, put a little seasoning on that, man. You know what I mean? Like, a bit of lamb seasoning, Scotch bonnet, like what, 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, paprika, put something on it. Like, we're not here for boring. YouTube is for entertainment, you know what I mean? Anyways, also, to get more views, you could be sharing it to your friends, your family. Go on the road, tell people about yourself. Like, when you're vlogging outside, be like, yo, hail me up on YouTube, you understand? Next subscriber, tell that person you was with the other day, subscribe, like. Because guys, the more people who see your videos, like your videos, interact with your videos, engage, all of that great stuff is good. for your channel, because then YouTube can see that people are enjoying your video. They will push it out to the algorithm. Please don't cancel me. Algorithm. Anyways, that word, right? And yeah, your views will start coming in. Also, talking about views, right? I just dropped a video a couple of minutes ago, you know. Go and watch that video after this video, and make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, because I'm dropping the tea. What? Oh, Jesus. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Litty Shay, by the way. Yeah, if you're new here, big up yourself, and if you're a returning subscriber, yes, my Litty gems and Litty doms in the building. But honestly, guys, like, how to get more views? I just spilled the tea, you know, because not a lot of people know about saving your file, saving your video file has something sensible so it can be optimized in the Google search, Chrome search, Firewall, whatever type of search engine you are using, it can be optimized once you put the title properly. Use keywords all the time. That will help you. Try it. Like, even if you need to pause the video and rewind it and play it, pause the video, rewind it, because you're gonna spill it some real tea. I don't just come on here and give you BS. I give you quality, what I've tried. I have tried these tips and tricks and strategies to get more views. Yes, it might take time, but you will get there eventually. Once you follow my rules, you will get there. You know what I mean? Because believe it or not, I'm still learning. I'm still trying these strategies now. But so far, so good. I'm good to go. So don't forget, your girl Litty Shay has told you how to get more views in 2024. The 1st of September, yeah. Anyways, me and my cutesy, very demure, very mindful, very sassy, very cutesy. I told you. Yeah, I did. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. We out. Peace.